No, no.
I help it. I was just crying.
Your hair, it made you look a little older. And you need something
And this
that gives you some
doesn't?
edge.
I came into
And this doesn't. Anyone who defends this needs jail time. I think I need to file a police report after watching Cycle 14's Makeovers from America's Next Top Model. Because there's one that is so bad, it should be a crime.
I'm like, you can shave it, you can dye it, make me look like Dennis Rodman. I made it this far.
Oh, we're just jumping in.
It's gonna be so interesting. It's gonna be awful if they cut all my hair off, because I've had long hair my entire life.
And girl, maybe that's exactly what they're gonna do. We're starting off a little weak with this one. You know, there's no Photoshop transformation with low quality stock images of Justin Bieber haircut being plastered on, copied and pasted. You know, there's no theatrics at all. I kind of miss it.
I line the girls up, line all the pictures up, and I go one by one and try to decide what would be the best makeover to make them edgy.
I decide who's gonna cry this season.
And I've spent the time, and I'm ready to share it with you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay.
I mean, it doesn't matter to me. I'm
feel
fucking
like I really am different from all the other girls.
She's like, are you ready? Are you ready to see who's going to be gaslit this season into thinking their haircut was good for them?
I feel like I really am different from all the other girls. It's been 7 years since somebody's cut my hair other than myself.
Brenda's edgy. She's punked out. She's super cool. I want Sally Hirschberger to give her a special edged out, like, fringy kind of cool thing.
Well, do you want to see it now that the master has coiffed it?
Yes.
All righty.
Oh my God.
This is so much more edgy and more modern.
Yeah,
Okay,
that
but
looks
we have an
really good on
issue.
her.
What is going on? Did you come to a modeling competition with an armpit full of hair?
That's what. Oh my God! And they're
don't
using the
shave my
scissors.
arm.
They would never do this to a man. Mr. J's like, we have an issue though. You have armpit hair. Did you know that by chance? That's gotta go. That's not allowed here on this show. Okay, well, show us under your arm, Mr. J. Let's see. Let's see what you got under there. I know that's
don't
Miss
shave
J.
my
Cutting
armpits
cutting the hair,
regularly
armpit hair.
because Both health and women's
And
rights.
it is him.
I
It's
wonder
him.
what like the downstairs is gonna be like. You know, if she doesn't shave her armpits.
Ren is edgy.
Okay, Rhea,
tattooed.
she's gonna
very earthy.
shave her
She doesn't
armpits,
come
everyone.
off really as a model, and I think that's gonna hold her back.
Her armpit hair is gonna hold her back.
First top model on makeover ever.
We're gonna go really over the top with this makeup for you girls today.
I'm all about changing my look. I'm
Wow.
cool with short, I'm cool with long.
Oh wow. These makeover photo shoots always, I haven't seen one that's not good. I haven't. And I don't think I ever will.
Any style is cool with me.
She's easygoing.
No. Anxious? I don't know.
Gabrielle, I want to make her a little bit more angelic.
Should
Let's
she
bleach
be?
her out real blonde. Make her look like a wood nymph. Yeah.
I
Wow.
love the color. I love that it's lighter around here.
I feel amazing. It's edgier, like somebody walking on the street.
Oh wow. Okay. Whoa, I didn't see that she was brunette before. I don't know about this. I kind of like her brunette a little bit more. The blonde kind of washes her out. And why are the outfits reminding me of Xenon? The movie Xenon. Okay, if you don't know what that is, why are you watching this if you don't know what Xenon is? Girl of the 21st century. I'm not saying they copied it, but I'm saying it was heavily inspired.
This competition is everything to me. I'm not 16, I'm not 15, I'm not 18, I'm 24. This is what I need, and I want this.
I'm inspired by Krista's bone structure. She's got cheekbones that'll cut you.
She's inspired by her bone structure.
So I just want to slick her hair back in a ponytail, give her a horsetail that she can remove and put back on, and remove and put back on.
Okay, well, let's just take a look. First of all, what's that face about?
This is something I do when I
No
don't feel like
reaction.
doing my hair. I have like a bun, I slick it back and I put on. I hate it. I hate it. But I don't want this to affect me
She
and what I
hates
want to
it.
accomplish.
Why? I love that they kept it simple for her. They just gave her a pony, but I mean, is that really a makeover? You're just giving her some fake hair to clip on every now and then.
I'm so excited.
Alexandra, I
I
love
thought it
your
looked
beautiful,
nice.
fiercely real body. So we need to give you some fiercely real hair. Just some Giselle highlights and softness.
I know. That's a good thing.
I feel beautiful. I feel more fine beautiful. It's very more fine, a little more sophisticated, which is good.
This makeup is interesting.
Why won't they tell us what they're doing? I don't think they're gonna cut it too short. But then again, your face can
But then again,
Simone, I know she's very straight and to the point, and she's a sorority girl. So you know how Cassie shaved the sides of her head? That's what we're gonna do to you, honey.
no.
But it's definitely more modern.
Wow. My old look was.
How is, oh my God. Allegedly, P. Diddy is the one who made Cassie shave the sides of her head. Tyra obviously didn't know, but just looking back at this, that Cassie's shaved head was used as like a reference point for another haircut. Not knowing the backstory, what we know now, again, allegedly. That's crazy to me. This looks so bad.
But it's definitely more modern.
Wow.
So bad.
My old look was safe and like.
It was beautiful.
Boring. But now I'll feel less need to be like pretty and smiley and cute, and I'll be able to be more like adventurous and like edgy.
Okay,
Nervous,
sure.
Brenda?
My fiance loves long, gorgeous hair. But this is a
You need to leave this show.
And I'm just gonna trust that Tyra knows what she's doing.
How sharp is this razor? Very sharp. It's so sharp that we can just like cut off chunks like that.
Mr. J, stop.
Brenda, I think that it's too sexy, right? It's just a little too la la la.
Brenda, your fiance is not gonna
Cut
like
it off real
this.
short like Halle Berry, girl, yeah.
My heart sank. I couldn't help it. I was just crying.
Your hair, it made you look a little older. And you need something
And
that
this
gives you some
doesn't?
edge.
I came into
And this doesn't. Mr. J, stop this right now. He's like, you know, that old haircut made you look older, and this doesn't. The second she said, my fiance likes long hair, that's when I knew it's about to go downhill. It's like it's a roller coaster that goes down and doesn't go back up. This is a tragedy unfolding right before our eyes.
And you need something that gives you some edge.
I came into this competition so confident, and my whole world's been shaken.
She was crying so hard. I feel so bad for her.
Brenda, she broke down. I couldn't believe it. And I'm looking at that like, can you handle this competition? Are you that strong?
Oh my God. It just doesn't look good. It doesn't look nice.
My hair was, in my mind, my best asset. And so to have that taken away, it was really painful for me.
Look at that smile. Oh my God.
I gotta
Oh my God. Sorry. Oh, I think it looked even worse styled. Look at her in this interview. Oh my God. I gotta get myself together from what I can't believe what I've just seen right now. What on earth is this? Are we seeing this haircut? The styling makes it worse somehow, right? At first, when it was kind of laying, I'm like, okay, maybe it could work. And no, it absolutely can't. This is a violation of something in some place. It's a violation somewhere.
Oh my gosh. I gotta relearn. Like, I have to reprogram my mind. I know it sounds
And
so
this
dramatic.
makeup, oh my God. Why does she look like she's lifeless in this one? And then you put her, why does she, I can't even believe my eyes. How do you take this gorgeous, beautiful woman on the left here? Okay? And then you do this. What did she not greet someone when she walked in? Who did she upset for them to do this to her? Because no one's going to convince me. No one is going to convince me that this is better. The haircut on the right. Anyone who defends this needs jail time. Jail time. Who's jealous of her to do this? Someone's jealous. Someone's like, she's way too beautiful. Let's make her ugly. That's what I'm getting from this. She needs to be ugly immediately. Look at this before and after. What do you think?
Someone had a personal vendetta against this girl because that's messed up. No, she literally looked stunning before.
I literally said the same thing. I'm like, did someone have something against her because she's really pretty?
Yeah. Honestly,
Tyra? Maybe they saw that she's so stunningly beautiful and natural that
they wanted her confidence.
They wanted her confidence to go. Yeah. Ah! Everything is falling apart because of this makeover. Just like her makeover. is gonna make her life fall apart. They know she has a fiance that's counting on this hairstyle, and they're like, she has it too good. Let's give the fiance something to be mad about. That's what it's giving right now. Unless you're her biggest hater, you wouldn't like this makeover.
I know it sounds so dramatic, but it really is a dramatic change.
It's dramatically bad.
I want you to meet one of the super all-time pros when it comes to brows. It's Anastasia. She is the brow master.
What are we doing to you, Nigel? Because you already got a bust head, which I love. So let's just bleach your eyebrows, honey. And
Where did Tyra film this?
You're gonna look fabulous.
She in her office?
Do you feel it?
Yes, I do.
It's a little more alien-esque.
I was born and raised into a religious cult. From birth, you're taught how to think as a person. Being here is really a dream come true. This is everything I wanted to be for so many years. And I can't believe I have this chance. Wow. I'm so excited.
The green looks good on her.
Angelique, girl. You know how you say you keep it real. Well, I ain't gonna keep it real because you gonna get a weave, girl. I'm gonna give you some of my old hair. You gonna sew it up in there, give you a cut bang, you gonna look hot.
You got what every girl wants.
Yo.
Look how long this is. Do you feel how long this is? It goes all the way down to here.
Yo, I feel like Tyra. I look fantasticals. I look so good. I look amazing.
It does look nice on her.
Fabulous, and I'm ready to just kick ass.
But aren't the bangs a little too long?
I know them bitches gonna be hating on me.
I kind of like her with dark hair.
Hair like this anymore. We got to do a whole thing.
Raina, we're gonna give you deep, dark chocolate hair, parted in the middle, and I'm not touching those brows.
I love this color on her.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't even look like me.
You don't look like you, but you look way more fashionable.
I'm so happy
Wow.
with my hair. I've never dyed my hair before.
She
I've
looks
never
really
been
good
before.
with this
I wanna
hair
rock
color.
It. I want to like show the world my hair.
Now, what are you going to bring to this competition now? Are you bringing
Her
fire
hair?
and energy?
Yes, fire. I'm gonna be ferocious.
Alasia, she pulled that wig off at casting, and we were like, oh my God, all this hair? So we're just gonna give her some body and some
Let's
curl
cut it
and
off.
Give her some clip-ins and
This episode is underground for me at this point. Like these makeovers, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what they do at this point. Because after Brenda's, there's no recovering. There's no recovering from that.
So we're just gonna give her some body and some curl and give her some clip-ins that she can clip in and out at photo shoots.
You couldn't do that for Brenda.
Catch the brows.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
I am absolutely in love with it. I love like how it's so bouncy and
The green and the blue outfit is kind of strange. This is there is no coming back from Brenda's haircut. There's nothing they can do that's going to make this episode better. You can put all the green eyeshadow you want. You can give out checks for $5,000. Actually, that might make it a little better.
you know, it makes me feel more girly because it's curly. Up, that rhymed.
There it goes. I know you're cutting it off.
Ansley, you've got those strong bones, just like square jaw. And you got this kind of wavy long hair. I want to see the jaw, baby. So the hair has to go.
All of it?
I'm crying because it's like I'm leaving a part of my life behind, and I'm
Stop
moving
this.
on. I'm changing.
Okay, what are you thinking?
She looks like someone's mom. I'm sorry. Who is doing Tyra? Is it Tyra? I guess they didn't want Brenda to feel left out. They're like, don't worry, we're gonna also chop off someone else's hair. And if she has a fiance, she won't too.
Moving on. I'm changing.
Okay, what are you thinking?
I see some serious high fashion in this too.
Yes, I do too.
She's trying to be positive.
I love it. It's crazy. I've never ever had short hair in my entire life. So I like don't want to stop touching it. It feels so light and fluffy.
I love the purple makeup on her.
Tatiana has dark, beautiful hair, and you remind me of Angelina Jolie. So we're not going to go in that direction. We're going to go the
Oh,
opposite
no.
and make you Goldilocks.
Oh.
She's like, I actually feel she's kind of like shaking. Your pulse is going.
I've never had any other look. Any hair I can rock. So
don't
blonde
know.
hair, brown hair, red hair, anything they would have given
She
me.
looks way better with dark hair. But she looks good with the blonde.
Jessica, sweet girl next door, big doe eyes, is getting chocolate brown hair to sexify you up.
Oh my God!
She got the best haircut. Wow.
I feel that this makeover has definitely made me more edgy. It's like really high fashion, like now I pop, so.
Yeah, it looks
I love
great.
it.
You couldn't do that for the other girls?
Y'all feeling cute?
Where's Brenda? Where is she? Oh my God.
But this is only the start for the big
It's only the start of how we're gonna ruin the rest of your life.
And that transition is gonna continue with you guys moving into your new loft tonight.
It doesn't matter. I will never get over what they did to Brenda. Let's watch a video of her before. Look at how stunning and beautiful she was before. Look at this.
Just denied.
He denied you?
Yeah. But I'm happy I did it for myself.
And they're gonna deny her hair.
Well, we're glad that you're here.
She didn't need any change whatsoever. Okay, if they wanted to trim it a little bit, okay. But she already looked like a model. I'm trying to like it, but I can't. I'm sorry. They literally ruined not only her modeling career, but maybe her relationship too. She's like, my fiance loves my long hair. They're like, not anymore. I'm going to pray and ask God why America's Next Top Model did this tonight. I'm going to be like, what happened? What went wrong?